Hey, it's Lisa from Kitchen Witch Boutique. It is Thursday, October 3rd, day after the solar eclipse, Libra new moon. So I just got the energy and the desire to work on the garden. So we're setting this up for Halloween. This is gonna stay like this. We're still trying to weed this stuff because it's hard. Like Chuck and I are on like opposite schedules. But here is the Garden of the Dead. Still working on that. Got some stuff over here. Finally found my wormwood. Hello, wormwood. Wormwood and digitalis foxglove. Okay, so we're over here. Looks like Mandavi is doing pretty good. You know, again, like it's hard when you start planting. Like we got here in July, so it's not the greatest time to plant. So just trying, but I've been able to put my inside plants outside because it's been so mild, so they're happy about that. Here's the herb garden and the roses. We've been really trying to work with the roses because it just, you know, unfortunately we had a pretty wet summer, so we've had to treat them for like fungal stuff, etc. Here is the hydrangeas, butterfly bush, clematis. That's a jasmine in the back. Unfortunately, with feeding the birds and the squirrels, they drop seeds. So now I have to weed that because that's a whole bunch of bird seed. Hyacinth, bird bath. Hydrangea is actually parking up, etc. And then we've got I feel like Charlie Brown right now, like with the leaves. And here is the front. I'm still working on getting like more solar lights, etc., because there's a few, but planted this today. Peppers. This poor mom was sitting in the pot for like so long. I don't know if that's going to come back, so we'll try. But there's a pumpkin, of course, with Mama Bridget, Goddess Bridget, Coptic cross, of course. These are doing pretty good, etc. This is actually a sunflower, believe it or not. I was like, holy crap, like where'd that come from? But you know, that's what it is. Juniper, spirea. Surprisingly, the petunias made it all summer into October. The rest of it is just kind of coming along. So yeah, we're good. It's coming along. Lisa from Kitchen Witch Boutique.